be his last international competition. Men's 200 freestyle S5, Francesco Bocciardi, the world record holder, goes in lane 5 next to his teammate Antoni FANTIN.
Here we see a variety of starts in this S5 200m freestyle. The 3 fastest lanes in the middle, all choosing to start in the water and get straight up and into their strokes, as they don't get any propulsion from their legs. And as we can see, already there, Antoni and FANTIN leading from the front.
Yeah, great overhead shots of the swimmers here, just displaying the control they have over their bodies here, just trying to minimise the impairment that they have. And it is, as expected, the 2 Italians going out fast in 4 and 5. Antoni and FANTIN over in 34.18. The young man who won the world title last year in Mexico City had a great swim in the 400 freestyle there, coming from behind to overtake his more experienced teammate Francesco Bocciardi. Bocciardi set the world record in this race ahead of the time, the long-standing world record held by Daniel Diaz of Brazil. And in these early stages, well, Bocciardi trying to come back now on his younger teammate. Bocciardi going very well in lane number 5 at the turn.
Yeah, as we come into this turn here, we see Francesco Bocciardi picked up the pace down that second 50 metres in Mexico at the World Championships when these both athletes were in the 400 metres freestyle. FANTIN came from behind and surprised Bocciardi, so he knows what he's up against this time. And we can see that Bocciardi's considerably upped his stroke rate. They're a great overhead shot of these 3 swimmers with similar techniques, but we can see Bocciardi, because he's got that slightly higher stroke rate with his arms, his legs are swaying and causing more drag because he doesn't have the ability from his core muscles to keep them still.
Oh, Bocciardi going into this final turn now, he's going to have a lead of a second or so over his teammate. 2.5 is the difference. Bocciardi getting out of the wall pretty well, and he's got a lead, Liz, as he comes down this final 50.
Yeah, Bocciardi there has given himself about a body length over his compatriot, and he knew that he was going to have to attack this race. 200 metres more of a sprint than these guys we saw them do last year, and definitely Bocciardi is not leaving this down to chance.
Well, Bocciardi has got the power. He's gone ahead of FANTIN, and he is going to take gold for Italy. It's going to be gold and silver for Italy. It's the same as the World Championships 400 last year, but this time it's gold to Bocciardi. He takes it in 2:23.65, and that is a sensational time, and that is inside the world record of 2:24. So a world record swim for Francesco Bocciardi of Italy. Well, what a way to start, Liz. Bocciardi takes it in a world record time, and he was just outside world record pace. I was keeping an eye as he went through there. It was that last 50 that really put him in to world record position, and FANTIN this time, the youngster has to settle for silver, but gold and silver to Italy, and it's BERTRAN from Spain into the bronze medal position. A very good time for the Spanish swimmer.
Yeah, and we saw at the start there, FANTIN led down that first 50 metres and Bocciardi shadowed him. But then once they made that turn, for the rest of the race, Bocciardi had his race plan. He stuck to his race plan. And there was no doubt in his mind that he was going to win that race.
Great underwater shots here. We're getting in Dublin. And there's Antoni FANTIN going over. But at that point, Bocciardi was away and clear. Bocciardi stroked his way to the finish, and oh, what a finish it was in that last 100, certainly for Bocciardi. Really picked up the pace, and inside the world record mark, 2:23.65, so 0.6 of a second inside his own world record, which he only set a couple of months ago in Palermo in Italy. But it's gold to Italy. They take the spoils in this 200 freestyle S5. Francesco Bocciardi from Italy is the European champion in a world record time. It's gold and silver to Italy, with Antoni FANTIN in silver position and Antoni PONCE BERTRAN from Spain with the bronze.